In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert an image in Google Drive. So I want to show you various ways we shall use to insert an image here. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, now if you go to this slides, you can see we have images, and let me show you how you can also insert the same in your slide. First, go ahead and click on the slide that you want to insert an image, and then head here and you'll see this option called insert. The first option is image. Now from image, you have quite a number of options, such as uploading an image from your computer, from stock, that is web, from your drive if you have the image on Google Drive, or as well as camera or URL. So I have my image on my computer. I'll just go ahead and click on upload from computer, and this will take me to the computer, and here I'll select the image that I want to add. I'll click on it and then open, and immediately the image will be inserted. Now from here, go ahead and crop your image to fit your need. So I'll crop it like this and also like this, and here we go. Now if I click outside, I just go ahead and resize it and then insert it to where I want it to be. So that is the first method. However, we have a simple method that you can use to insert an image. For that, just head over to your computer and find the image, and once you have found the image, just drag and drop it, and just like that, the image will be inserted. You can now go ahead and resize it to the shape and the size that you want. So that's how you can insert images on your slides in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.